filmed the rest of the video, which is that in inspiration of Mariah Monday March, I have baked. She has a baking series about baking squishies or replicas of squishies that she's recreated. I just baked some cupcakes for St. Patrick's Day, and so here are various clips and filmings of that, and I hope that you had a happy St. Patrick's Day despite the weirdness that might be happening around you. I wish you the best. I wish you all the good luck, and I will see you Friday. Bye. So I'm baking. It's St. Patrick's Day weekend. We're gaming tomorrow. I actually wanted to do stuff before, but I ended up having to work a lot more than I thought I was going to. So we have this happening here, and I have several recipes of stuff out to go. And I have hot chocolate, and I have no idea what this camera angle looks like whatsoever. The vanilla and green cupcakes are out. Gotta wash dishes because when you make a mess, it's imperative that you clean it up. I think that they are super